Have you guys been using the Filmora editing app and wondering on how to freeze the frame of the video on it? Then don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add freeze frame in the Filmora app. So let's get started. First of all, open the Filmora app just like this. After opening the app, make sure you have added the video that you want to edit. Now to freeze the frame, tap onto the video track just right here. Then scroll to your right on the toolbars and here you can find the freeze option just right here. Now select the part where you want to freeze just like this and tap onto the part, and here you can find the freeze option. Now tap on it and now you can see the video is now freezed. Now do the same process for freezing the other parts of the video. And that's it. This is how you can freeze the frame in the Filmora app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.